spade to tractor, farmers can get everything under one roof now. First of its kind of agriculture shop has been opened in Fatorda by Adarsh Agriculture Cooperative Society. Farmers can buy goods at reasonable rates.
शेतकऱ्याला लागणारे बारीक वस्तू धरून ते ट्रॅक्टर पर्यंत सहकारी तत्वाचेर आमचो वचो विचार आसा. 28 सेंटरांत आमचें काम चल्लेलें आसा आनी वेगवेगळे धर्तीचें काम चल्लें आसा. जून म्हयन्याक आमी मिनी बाजार ही सुरवात केली, गांव बाजार ही सुरवात केली आनी गांवाक बरो माल दिवपाचो, म्हारगायेच्या दिसांक स्वस्त आनी उत्तम माल दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा. येणाऱ्या अवघ्या 1-2 म्हयन्या भितर सुद्दां हो सेल जो आसा 1 लाखापर्यंत व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. दर्जेदार माल ग्राहकांक दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. म्हारगायेच्या दिसाक नक्कीच हेजो आमकां ह्या सभासदां कडच्यान आमकां पाठिंबो मेळटा.
Goa liquor traders are demanding relaxation to liquor sale up to 11 at night. The Traders Association claims that the main business time starts from late in the evening to 11 at night. They are ready to pay extra license fees to the government. The association submitted a memorandum to the tourism minister.
आमची शॉपां बंद करपाची सद्या पाळी आयल्या आनी हाजेर आमकां स्ट्रेट 30% ड्रॉप इन सेल्स आयिल्लो आसा. गोवा बिंग अ टुरिस्ट स्टेट, टुरिस्ट चडशे सांजचे आफ्टर 9 o'clock शॉपिंग करपाक प्रिफर करता. ते सायट सिंगांक गेल्ले आसता दिसभर, ते आपल्या परते हॉटेलांत पावता म्हणल्यार 8:30-9 जाता आनी आमचो जो मेजर बिझनस आसता तो आफ्टर 9 o'clockूच चालू जाता. सो एक रिक्वेस्ट केल्या हॉनरेबल टुरिजम मिनिस्टराक की हो इशू मातसो आमचो सिरियसली घेवचो आनी आमकां परत 11 पर्यंत जो टायमींग आसा तो दिवचो.
Parulekar said he will discuss the matter with the chief minister.
सीएमा पर्यंत तो विषय पावयता अशें तांकां हांवें उतर दिलां. तेजेर विचार करून सीएम किंवा मंत्रिमंडळ जर डिसिजन घेता ते 11 पर्यंत जाल्यार जातलें. अदरवायज सीएमा पर्यंत तेंच्यांनी म्हाजे कडेन रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिल्लें आसा. सीएमा पर्यंत पावोवपाचें म्हाजें काम आसा, तें हांव पावोवपाचें काम करतलो. हें म्हाज्या खात्यान आसल्या कारणान हांव सांगूंक शकना कितें हांव करतलो म्हणून.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Dempo Sports Club have extended their tie-up with Pilar-based Father Agnel High School by another year. As such, Dempo will provide a specialist youth coach to develop the school footballers. This will be a contribution towards development of football at grassroots level.
Why can't it be a 5-year MOU? Because I personally believe in long-term partnerships. Once you get married, divorce is not an option. So I personally feel that it may be a document in writing for a year, but this relationship has to go on. And if it's to meet with our dream of having budding stars like Sameer and I'm not naming everybody, but a whole host of them sitting here who's dreamt of playing for Dempo Sports Club and have given excellent service. They are our Goan boys. I want young boys from Father Agnel High School, Pilar, to just be that and much more. And I think the only way we can do it is through a very strong action-oriented grassroots development program. Everybody has just woken up now and say grassroots, because they've realized one thing, that the only reason India is not in the World Cup is because we don't take this sport seriously. And when I say when this sport has to be taken seriously, work has to begin at the age of 7 to 8. That's the time talent is spotted. That's the time you get into scientific evaluation of the boy or the girl. That's the time you give him the necessary exposure in terms of coaching skills, technical skills.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.